Good morning. Today we'll look at the Bank Nifty and Nifty levels. We will do some market analysis based upon the data what we have got. Okay. So before going into the levels, let's look at the global levels, global indices, how it's performed. So US markets are in green. It's positively open. Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Nasdaq is in green. European markets are in red, which is looks bearish. SGX Nifty is open positively, and all the Asian markets are in mixed state. So some are positive, some are negative. Thus, major Indian indices are open positively, and it's in green. So if you look at the Friday data, what we have received, FIIs was a net seller and the DIIs was a net buyers. So let's look at the charts, technical analysis. So the overall market is in neutral, like we do not have any stance on whether it is a positive or negative. So today we have a neutral view. So these are my technical analysis for the Bank Nifty, which is a pretty very important resistance zone. Okay, so I have drawn a resistance zones, actually which I have drawn it in the Friday, so that plays an important resistance zone for today itself. So 39,560 to 39,590, which is a pretty important zone, resistance zone. So it is rejecting number of times. So we may see the upward movement from if the price sustains above it. Okay. So before you decide the technical analysis, you need to consider the open interest by looking at the option chain. So let's look at the option chain as well. So this is the Bank Nifty option chain for this expiry date 29 March 2023. So maximum calls and puts are written at these levels. So if you look at the 39,500, calls are written aggressively by the net sellers, 2 lakh 4,000 and 2 lakh 16,000. So the maximum here, both the put options and the call options are written at this level. So we need to consider in such a way that market is mostly will be in the neutral condition until and unless FIS or DIS take entry into the positions. So just be careful today because as per the option data, we cannot see the major movement at least till 12 or 12 to 1 o'clock. So because that time the major institutional players come into the market and drive the market upward or downward. Okay. So we have to see. So as of now, the market will roam in this range itself, 39,500. So it's at 10:30. So let's wait at least till 12. So do not take trades. So maybe there are many chances of breakouts over here. So let's wait till 12 to 1 o'clock. Then you take a position based upon your view. So let's look at the 50, Nifty 50. So here we have a Nifty 50 chart, and this is also exactly the last levels we have drawn on Friday. So resistance are 17,050 to 17,080, which is acts as a important resistance zone. So let's look at the option chain data. 17,000, 2 lakh calls 2 lakh 82. And let's look at the where the calls are maximum. 17.5. Let's 2 lakh 17. So Nifty 50 is also like in neutral, maybe. But if you look at the 17,000 levels, we are seeing both the put options and call options have returned aggressively. And if you look at the 18,000, only call options have returned aggressively. So if we cross this level, 17,000, we may see a slight upward movement at this direction, but that won't happen soon. So we have to wait for our institutional buyers or the momentum to come. Okay, so take your trades today cautiously, because according to the option chain, it looks like a very neutral, and wait for the correct time. So this is for today's video, and I'm not a financial advisor. Take your trades at your own risk. Do your analysis, research, and take your trades according to your technical analysis. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like it, do subscribe and like my video. Thank you.